July 22nd crowns the mango, argues that 22/7 is a perfectly acceptable value for pie, and asks what your brain has been up to lately. Mango Day celebrates the mango on July 22nd, the most widely consumed tropical fruit in the world, with India alone producing roughly half of global supply. Casual Pie Day marks 22/7, the fraction approximating pi, a date celebrated by those who find the more famous March 14th overly decimal. World Brain Day was established by the World Federation of Neurology to raise global awareness of brain health and neurological conditions, affecting over 1 billion people worldwide. Beta-Glucan Day highlights the soluble fiber in oats and barley, recognized for supporting immune function and cardiovascular health. National Penuche Fudge Day celebrates the brown sugar fudge with caramel undertones and a name from Italian slang. National Hammock Day, the calendar's strongest case for horizontal outdoor leisure. Crown the mango, approximate the pie, appreciate your brain. Follow National today, and help us celebrate every day of the year.